Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a quick BoxyCharm unboxing. Let's see what I got. Ta-da! So the first thing in the box is another eyeshadow palette. We're getting lots of eyeshadow palettes. This is from the brand Pretty Vulgar, and we have gotten an eyeliner from them before. This is the Nightingale eyeshadow palette, which has beautiful packaging. I remember when this brand first came out on YouTube, there was a bit of hype about it, but the hype's kind of died down. So this palette retails for $35, which is a really decent price for an eyeshadow palette. And it's got some grays, some blacks, and then a lot of browns and neutrals, as well as some highlight colors. So beautiful palette. Next we have a blush. This is from Laura Geller. This is her Baked Blush and Brighten blush. Oh, it looks gorgeous. It kind of looks like the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish type of thing. This is a $28 blush. It's definitely very golden-y. Pretty nice. I don't know if you can see it on my skin there. Looks like a nice golden-y, pinky golden-y blush. So we'll have to give that a go. Definitely got some major highlight in there as well. Next, there's a small brush trio, and this is the $18 value. And these are from Alamar Cosmetics, which we also got an eyeshadow palette from them as well. There looks to be like a blending brush, a packing brush, and a liner brush. And it says that they are synthetic brushes, so cool. I am usually always really happy with my beauty box brushes. Looks like this one needs a cleaning and a reshaping, but aside from that, nice to have. This is the matte liquid lipstick in Petal Pusher. Oh my god, the tube actually looks like a lipstick. Oh my god, that's actually really cute. This is $17. Let's see what the applicator looks like. Kind of looks like a Smashbox liquid lip, and kind of smells like yogurt. I don't know. Let's try out the color. I had a gloss on my lips already, so just kind of gives you an idea of the color. But it's a very safe color. It's very similar to what we've seen already from BoxyCharm, but cute packaging. We'll have to test out the formula for real. And yeah, I've never heard of Hank and Henry before. And lastly, we have a Butter London Stroke of Wow Roll-On Precision Liner, which makes me feel silly for buying the Revlon eyeliner previously. The packaging on this looks exactly the same. I wouldn't be surprised if they were all the same components. And it retails for $19. And again, I think I might give this away. If you want to see my attempt at loving a roll-on eyeliner, you can check my Revlon video up here. But spoilers, I didn't like it enough to waste a new package. And that is everything in this month's BoxyCharm. The theme this month is Wildflower. It's nice to get a nice deluxe eyeshadow palette. So let's talk last month's box. So last month's box I received on a Friday. So I filmed it over the weekend for Monday's video, and I think it was on Sunday night, all hell broke loose within the beauty community, and that's when it came to light that Laura Lee had sent out these horrible tweets 6 years ago or something, and of course she was the one that curated the August beauty box, including receiving Laura Lee palettes. So just the worst possible timing. If you wanted to, you could always contact BoxyCharm and they would flip out the eyeshadow palette for a different eyeshadow palette, or just like the reward points. But oh my gosh, what a mess there. So if you want all the drama on the Laura Lee stuff, I would highly recommend you check out reddit.com/r/beautyguruchatter. Kind of the place that people go to get the news and the dirt on all their favorite beauty gurus. I thought her tweet was horrible, and yeah, not going to be endorsing her palettes on my channel, so yeah. Another dud in that box was the Bang Beauty eyeliner. I tried this a couple times And this is just kind of like a dried up, gross, not opaque at all eyeliner. So to me, I saved it because I knew I was going to talk about it in the video, but this is like going in the garbage. It's just like not a good eyeliner. I was pretty excited to get a brown one to play around with, but this is not a good one. Everything else in the box though was pretty decent. So of course I tried on the Baddington lashes in their own video, which you can check up here. Beautiful lashes. The first time I've tried out anything from Baddington, and I really liked these Monroe lashes. We got the Wander Beauty eye patches, and I tried out one set. They gave us 3 sets of these, and they're really interesting. I thought they were going to be like kind of a plush, plumpy gel type of eye mask, but they're more like aluminum foil. They're really thin and kind of like textured, so interesting. I'm definitely going to use the rest of these up. We got the Adest New York Age Define Nail Treatment Essentials. This is an almond cuticle oil, which I'm really enjoying. And last of all, we got that Smashbox lipstick trio, which you can see I've been using quite a bit. Yeah, it doesn't really stay, especially with these crazy colors, it doesn't stay really tri-toned on your lip. I think of it really as just like a hot pink lipstick, because that's pretty much what it gives you when they're all mixed together. It's not my favorite lipstick. I feel like it kind of sits on the outside of your lips more than like sinking in and becoming one with your lips. But I just love the concept and the funky colors so much that I can't really be mad at it. And I do want to do like feature it in its own wear test feature kind of video. So if you're interested in that, definitely let me know as well. And that is it for BoxyCharm. So let me know what you thought of this month's BoxyCharm. Let me know what you thought about last month's with the whole Laura Lee thing coming down. Do you guys pay attention to that kind of drama? Do you shy away from it? I would love to hear your thoughts and opinions on this kind of juicy gossip. My favorite podcast, Reply All, just went over some of the drama in that. So if you're not versed in this YouTube drama, maybe check out the latest episode of Reply All. It's called like Dramageddon. And with that, I will see you all in Wednesday's video. Thanks for watching. Huge shout out to my patrons who help bring you this video content. Huge shout out to my patrons who help me produce these videos. Huge shout out to you for watching. Thanks. Comment, like, subscribe, engage. You know the drill. Follow me on my socials. I'm on Facebook, I'm on Instagram, I'm on Twitter. And with that, y'all, I will see you in my next beauty video. Bye.